Did you know one word can be spelled in different ways? Let's look at long A words. Do you know that letter A here makes the sound A? AI makes the sound A. AY makes the sound A. A with a magic E makes the sound A. EI makes the sound A. EA makes the sound A. EIGH makes the sound H. So all these sounds I've written here makes the sound word A. Again, A. So let's look at words with this A sound. These I have the word lady. Lady. These I have the word rain. A, rain. These I have the word play. A, play. These I have the word cake. Cake. These I have the word vein. A, vein. These I have the word break. A, break. These I have the word eight. Eight. Did you know that EY also makes the sound A, as in they? Again, they. The. A. They. So you can see all these words I've written here, they have the same sound, which is the long A sound, but what? Different words, spelling. The spellings are different. A, AI, AY, A with the magic key, EI, EA, EIGH, then EY. These, they all have the same sound, but what? Different spelling. When children understand this, reading becomes more fun and easy. Do you want to learn the rules guiding this? When to use A, when to use AI, when to use AY? All you just have to do is stick to my page, follow, like, and save. Thank you.